Wires tangled up. Hang on. I want to get this circuit done. Right, that's better. Now, I had to go on the flipping Windows 7 system because I had to download a library. Because the library software doesn't work on Windows XP, so I had to go on Windows 7 to download the library, and now I've copied the library item across to Windows XP. And so what I'm going to do is, give me a second anyway, I have to. Has this crashed on me? Oh, maybe it's just noise. I think it's just got some noise on it. That's it. Right, why is that? That's not so bad actually. That's better that should be better definition now. Let's check my outgoing bandwidth, 91 kilobytes per second, 122 kilobytes. That looks like it should be HD, and it should be a lot better than it was before. Right, let me just get my software running. Catch the desktop. Ah. Right. Check this. Let's check this. Seems like right, okay, that's not too bad. Well, I'm still set on the low setting. Right, let's go up to 480. Ah, that's better. Right, okay. So I'm getting feedback now. So the library item. Go away. Should be in my in here somewhere now. Libraries. I'm in the wrong menu. I want to be. Where is it? I'm just going to open one of my old projects and make a copy because it's a lot easier. I remember this. Yeah. Oh, I don't want that. Just open. I could use the same circuit board. That's what I'm thinking. Let's see. That's one of my old circuits. Right, what I'll do is I'll just actually no, I won't just to make sure I delete it all. Yeah, I'll delete it all. Right, delete and save it as where's my triac? I've saved a file called triac and I can't find it now. Oh well, I'll just call it I must have been saving it as something else, right? Okay, I've saved a file called triac. Right, now I need to add a component. I need to find, I'll put contains, and it's the Mac 97, so better turn caps lock on. I should be able to find it now. What? Come on, gotta be in there. Oh, let's just try triac. Oh no! It's found that surface mount thing. I don't want that. I want the. Where is it? Just a minute. Where is it? It's got to be in here. Just a minute. Maybe my library wants sorting out. Hang on. Oh! That's the one. No, not that one. That's the one. But that's why I couldn't find it in the search, because it's not using the that's weird. It just says triac, didn't give a name. That's weird. Right, let me just maybe it's not in the library, maybe that's why. Right, I want to save that to user library. What? It's already there? Oh. It's already there. Oh, where has it gone? That's weird. What's going on with this thing? Oh, it is. Right. I want to use that. Should I just drag it in? What? Drag it in? What's going on? It's only discrete. I don't know what's going on with this thing. I can normally drag it, the library to into my schematic, and it's not working. I've got the surfing mount on there, which is the one that was already there in the library. Let's check the video quality on this one. Have a look. Oh, it looks pretty clear actually. It's not bad. It's only at 480 though. I've got a flipping error box. These flipping error boxes, you know, I'm having problems. What? Having problems? Oh, right, yeah, I am. Right, can I drag it now? Nope. Copy to. Right, okay, let's copy it to the user library. Or discrete. That's the user library. Okay, it's in. I've got it in the user library now. That's what I wanted. Right, now I should be able to use it. Right, let's close that out. Now if we go to add component, there it is. Now it's there. Add. There we go, I've got it, finally! Yay! Got it. Right, so I'm just going to rotate that. I want 2 of them. Finally, there's an MT1 and MT2. Now, the diagram, find again that. Let me just save where I am, because otherwise I'm going to lose it all. Obviously it wasn't in the main user library, which is why I couldn't access it, but what I've discovered is that I can use 2 of these triacs. One triac to trigger the circuit on, so I can basically connect the current through the coil to the output. And I can use a second triac connected to the gate to basically remove any biasing from the gate of the first triac, so I control when that first triac goes off. But if the current is higher than 10 milliamps, it will stay on anyway through the MT1 and MT2. Actually, these will be better that way around, I think. Yeah. Because the gate comes out the bottom, so if I move that there, let's create the circuit board. Let's just, because I haven't got much there yet, let's just translate to a PCB so we can see what it looks like. What? I need to get this set right as well, because I don't want double-sided board, so let's see. I want single-sided board. That's the one I want. Right. Next. Single-sided board. Right. Next. Right, it wants the size of the board. Hang on a minute. I forgot the size of the board now. Oh, hang on, let me just measure my existing board. If I remember rightly, actually that could be right. I think I set it last time. Anyway, it doesn't matter, I can resize it later. I can always resize it. Right. Right. Okay. So I'm just going to stick these inside this board for now. Alright, we'll look at the 3D. I want to see if the models look, because if they don't, I'm going to have to find another one. Yeah, they look okay. Yeah, that's great. That'll do me. So I've got to work on the circuit diagram now. And the board's about the right size anyway, so... Ooh, I'm getting dizzy now. So, yeah, the quality looks pretty good on YouTube. It's not bad at all. Sorry, I turned the chat off. I don't know if you're trying to chat to me. No, nobody's trying to chat to me, so. Right, let's go back to this. Let me just save all this one. Save. I'm in the 3D, and I do close that 3D. Save that. Right, so what we have so far is, oh, I need some pads. I need some terminals. Right, let's see. I think I'm just going to go to the, let's find terminal. Let's see what these are like. Where's the preview gone? Too full. Right, that's what I want. Where's that gone? It's a bit long. Let's get rid of the component name, package name. CT1's all I really want. Actually, I'm going to get rid of this one, so I'm going to copy that one. Right. These are basically the input pins, but I really want the round hole ones, but yeah, I'm not happy with those. I'm just going to get rid of those. I want the other ones. There should be a preview thing somewhere. Ah, there it is. Right, that's what I wanted. Let's see. I get rusty, I forget things. Ah, that's the sort of thing. I want the 2. That's the one I want. Oh, so that was the right one. Ah, 2. That was the right one. But there's different sizes. There's the 5mm 2-pole. Let's see what else is there. It'll do for now. Okay, so I'm back to this again. Because I'm in the schematic, that's why it looks different. Checking the quality, just make sure it's alright. Well, you can read it, that's all that matters. It says my stream health is poor again, I don't know why. Just a minute. Right. I want preset. That's a multi-turn. I want that one. That one's better. Okay, so now this is a trigger coil circuit. I don't know why I got two of these. Oh, this is for the input coil, so I'll stick that up here. That'll probably need to be the other way around. Okay, so now MT2, oh, let me look at the PCB. That's why I wanted the PCB showing up, because I want to see the footprint. Properties. Right, that's MT2. So MT2. MT2 goes to the output, and it goes to, I'm going to move these things around a bit. And it goes to my second trimmer. And this goes to the gate of that one. Right. Because the second trimmer is helping me to control the cut-off point. Oh my god, I got 13.78 volts in my supercapacitor. I just thought I'd have a look. Okay, now the MT2 of the second MOSFET and just make sure right, yeah, that's right. MT2 of the second MOSFET goes to the gate of the first MOSFET, so right. I've got to do this very slowly because I don't want to make any mistakes. The output of this MT1 goes to, we can go up here, that one. If you don't know anything about circuit diagrams, the lines can cross. It's only when there's a dot that they're connected. Right, the trimmer is connected to the gate of MT1, sorry, D1. They're actually marked as D1 and D2, but it goes to the gate of D1. And because the trigger circuit is coming in here, so and also the trigger circuit of this one. I don't really matter which one because I can flip the wires if I need to, but right, that trimmer goes to where's my torque? So that one goes to MT1. Oops. Oh yeah. Oops, wrong one. Add connection. Oops. Yeah, I'll get rid of this box. Oops. Right, I'm getting a bit lost now. Right, the input trimmer, oh, there's resistor. Oh, silly me up. There's a resistor in there. There's a resistor. Something to add. That'll do. It's actually, what value is it? I'll check the value now. That's the, well, it's 100 ohm anyway. Right. This is a digital resistor. That's, oh no, it's a long resistor. That component. Ah. Where is it? Oh, that's the one. Right. Oops. I'll move that camera out of the way because I keep banging into it. Right, so I've got my resistor. That's to the gate. And Right. Right, that trimmer's there, so that's okay. And that other end goes to MT1 of the D2 goes to the other. So that goes to let's see which way it's gonna go. Right, that'll work. Is that right? No, it's not. That's wrong. No, it goes to that one. Right, that's right. I'll bring this down actually. I think I'll redo this now. Much better. Okay. Very simple circuit. I can tidy this up. This block doesn't have to be there, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to rotate it. I'm going to move that over here. Now flip it. Yeah, that's better. Right, that looks a lot better now. Oops. Damn scroll wheel, stop jumping on me. Oh, my dot. Oh, let me just redo this. Right, let's just... Oh, what have I done now? Oh yeah, this one. That should be right. MT2. So that verb resistor 2. Check, is that one? Yeah, MT2 is the top one. Yeah, that's right. Right, so forward design changes. have a look. Now we've got to do a little bit of PCB arranging and optimizations. Flipping out, this circuit board is small, it's very tiny. Right, where's this going to go? Right, it's going to go on that one. This circuit board is ridiculous. It wants to be bigger. Right, that's right. Oops. Undo. Oops. That's alright. Let's just space everything out so we can see where everything's going to go. Right, that's connected over to that there, so that trimmer really wants to be down here. Let's just move this lock. It's always best to have nice and everything spaced out when you first start. It's a lot easier to see where things are going to go, and then you start to condense it down later. Right, that one. Oops, I hate it when I do that. Just sorting my nets out. I think that would be better if it was down here. Let's move that up there. That resistor wants to be, that's better, somewhere like that. Right, let's try some auto routing. Auto route. Auto route. Auto route. Yeah, yay! It's all connected. Everything's connected. Yeah. I don't like these flipping right angled wrong one. I want to use the much more I like it, but hang on, let's see if we do that. That's better. What's happened to my nice curves? I've lost them. Oh no. It's only a basic circuit board, but once I've done this, I'm going to be copying multiples of them. Actually, let's just measure this, because how big is this? I want it in millimeters. I think that's 37 millimeters. Let's see now. Right. Oh, flipping heck, it's jumping. I lost my original settings. These stupid steps, the default steps are ridiculous. It jumps too much. I'm going to have to go into the configuration and change all this again. Right, let's look at the 3D model. Why is the tracks not there? There we go. Oh, but right, so that's the basic circuit layout. Nothing fancy. Let me just check YouTube. It's stuck on me again. Oh, it's miles away. Oh my god. That hiss is really, really horrible. I know, but if I put noise cancellation on, then it makes me sound muffled. Right, how long have I been on for? According to this, streaming about an hour. Right, well, I think I'll end the stream actually, because that's basically what I've got, and all I'm going to do is make copies of that, so that I'm going to tidy it up, obviously, you know, tweak a few things, move. I can see where the tracks are now, you see, so I can see where I can move things a bit more easily. That's obviously the output side there. And that's the trigger input. That's the trigger coil connection, I should say. So at some point I'll probably make copies, and once I get this arranged neatly, I can have a few blocks of these on this circuit board. But there's not much else to add really. It's a very, very basic circuit, it's nothing much to it at all. Right, so